So what is up, boys and girls? Today we've got a new product and it's a head unit for your bike, and it's from a company called RIDYN, and the product's name is Vision 1. Let's unbox it and dig around what's inside. So first of all, this is what the box looks like. Very minimal and very sleek, and let's open it up. So at the first you'll get to see the product itself. Let's get it out. And it's very sleek, that's for sure. Screen is very sleek. And we'll put this aside. What else do we get in the box? Okay, so we get something unique. We get the mounting brackets with it. Not a lot of company offer this, but that's nice. And this seems to be a mechanism to open this mounting thing. Yes, I think it is. Okay. And then you get some wiring, which will show in the tutorial on how to install the product. And then you get the manual. This is what the manual looks like. So let me show you what all you get in the product. The product is very sleek, man. It's very lightweight and it's very sleek. It feels premium. So yeah, this is what you get. Let's hop on the installation on how it looks and how it feels when it's on your bike.